This is my next video on the topic of comparison between F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. In my previous video of the topics, we have discussed about the principles and techniques of F.W. Taylor and 14 principles of Henry Fayol. Now there is a comparison, both are on the different approach. So let us discuss about the comparison between F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. So point number 1, it says concern. Concern किस पे ज़्यादा focus था, which means where they were inclined toward the concern. According to F.W. Taylor, he was concerned regarding the workers. He was basically focused on the workers' efficiency, workers की efficiency को कैसे increase किया जाए. But according to Henry Fayol, he was focused upon the particular management efficiency. वो management की efficiency को increase करने के लिए, management की cost को reduce करने के लिए उनकी efficiency को increase करना चाहता था. Which means overall management thought was given by Henry Fayol and workers' efficiency to be increased by F.W. Taylor. Second point of difference is levels. From which level they have started their studies. F.W. Taylor was from the workers' efficiency focus, so that's why they are focused from bottom level, which means start bottom level से होता upward जाने के लिए. But according to Fayol, he said that I have a basically level orientation towards the higher level. टॉप लेवल से लेके नीचे लेवल तक जाना, मतलब कि ओवरऑल एफिशिएंसी में इंक्रीज कर रहा है तो टॉप से नीचे तक जाएगा. टॉप लेवल, मिडिल लेवल, लोअर लेवल. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज एम्फसाइज व्हिच मींस किस पे ज्यादा जोर दिया गया था, किस पे इनका ज्यादा एम्फसाइज था. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू F.W. Taylor, he was emphasized on the technique called standardization of the work. हर काम को करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड है, which means quality focus of tools, raw materials, equipment from starting line to the end line. तो standardization of work. But according to Fayol, he was mainly having emphasis on the functions of management, which means planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So these were the basic functions because he was focusing on overall management. Point number 4 is focus. इसका focus कहाँ था? Basically, F.W. Taylor says that my focus is to eliminate the wasteful steps, wasteful motions, wasteful like products which are being not entertained in the organization. वो सारी wasteful efficiencies को खत्म करना जो हमारी overall efficiency को खराब करता है. Which means he was having a big basis focus on eliminating the wasteful activities and increasing the overall production capacity and efficiency of the workers. Workers की productivity efficiency को increase करना. But according to Henry Fayol, he was having a overall management efficiency. ये particular एक level की बात नहीं कर रहे थे. Henry Fayol said that I want to focus on the overall management efficiency. पूरी company में हर एक particular person की efficiency increase होनी चाहिए. Now point number 5 is of the basis is contribution. Contribution इन्होंने क्या-क्या main contribute किया था? Which means F.W. Taylor has given multiple scientific techniques and multiple scientific principles. But according to Henry Fayol, he has given 14 principles of general management. He has focused on scientific management. He has focused on general management. Now personality. Personality means how they have a personality to care of the aura. Which means father of scientific management because he was focused on science thoughts. He is the father of general management because he focused on overall management thoughts. Now unity of command. UOC means unity of command. According to F.W. Taylor, he was not in the favor of unity of command because he favors functional formation, which means one man having 8 bosses. But in the Henry Fayol case, he favors unity of command, that is one man, one boss. And the last point of the basic applicability, किस-किस situations में इनके techniques और principle apply होते हैं. These F.W. Taylor principles and techniques are applied in only in special situations, specialized, which means particular situations में apply होते हैं. But according to Henry Fayol, their principles have been applied in universally. हर एक company इसको apply करती है according to their nature and size of the business. So these are the point of comparison. Now coming to the relationship, दोनों complementary भी हैं. दोनों के अंदर कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं जो बेसिकली सेम है. नाउ व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स? लेट अस सी दिस. पॉइंट नंबर 1 सेज इंक्रीज एफिशिएंसी. दोनों ने एक ही फोकस किया था कि एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. रादर F.W. Taylor was focus on workers efficiency and Henry Fayol on overall management efficiency, but they have used the efficiency word, which means efficiency level increase करना मतलब कि कॉस्ट को कम करना. सेकंड इज टू कॉर्पोरेशन. कॉर्पोरेशन मींस दोनों ने एक कंसेप्ट दिया था कि कॉर्पोरेट करो. एम्प्लॉय और एम्प्लॉयर मतलब कि सीनियर और जूनियर, सुपीरियर सबऑर्डिनेट में रिलेशनशिप कॉर्डियल होना चाहिए, अच्छा होना चाहिए. सो दिस वर द बेसिस रिलेशनशिप. थर्ड इज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंटरेस्ट, व्हिच मींस दोनों ने ये कंसेप्ट दिया था थर्ड कंसेप्ट में that they are basically focused on the company's interest, organization interest, rather giving priority to organization, rather giving priority to individual interest. They are focusing on organization interest. Organization के interest के ऊपर ज़्यादा focus किया जाता है. Point number 4 is division of work. दोनों का concept ये था कि they both are applying the division of work. As the first principle of Henry Fayol is division of work, it is straightforward applies that. And in functional foremanship, F.W. Taylor has given its technique that he favors division of work by giving it two separate departments, planning department and production department. Fifth point is research field of management studies. Both of them have given a very good research work, which means they are very helpful in the management studies. Now we are studying management studies, and each and every organization is also in the field of management thoughts, which means they are both principles, 14 principles and scientific techniques, both are being applicable as a research work for each and every management studies or school of thoughts. So students, this was a video on the comparison as well as the relationship between F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. Do visit my next video on the further topic. Thank you so much.